I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the headset, then position it so the ear cup faces up. Grip the pad edge and peel it away slowly to avoid tearing the retaining lip. This reveals the mounting ring or clips. Once the pad is off, inspect the cup for debris and saved clips or adhesive strips. Keep them. If foam residue remains, use a dry, soft brush or canned air to clear it, because clean surfaces ensure the new pad seats correctly and seals for sound. Next, compare the replacement pad to the original so you know orientation and which side faces out. Hold the new pad so any notch, microphone cut, or cable channel lines up with the ear cup features. This prevents misalignment that changes fit or blocks vents. Starting at the top, tuck the pad's lip into the cup groove and work clockwise, stretching gently and seating the lip into clips as you go. Make sure the foam sits flat inside the pad, so to finish, press every section of the pad's lip into the groove or clip points until you hear or feel it click. Don't assume it's secured until the entire circumference is seated. Once done, wear the headset for a few minutes to verify comfort, seal, and left-right symmetry. Small adjustments now prevent long-term discomfort. If you hear echoing or muffled treble, remove and reseat the pad focusing on the contact points. Make sure no foam or adhesive is trapped under the lip causing gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.